Raise up your hand and wave your hands to the Lord. Because revival is not coming, revival is already here. First Chronicles chapter 12 verse 32 is said, of the tribe of Issachar were dread men. And these were the men that understood the temper of the times and knew the best course for Israel to take. We're in a time, we're in the end time where the revival, there's going to be a great outpouring. And God is looking for people who can be like the sons of Issachar, who are discerning, who can see and know where God is moving. Hallelujah. This song was breathed. The Spirit is a song that I pray will bless you even as you listen to it. I want you to open your hearts. These are the men that understand the times. These are the men that understand the seasons. This is a generation of wisdom to the rest, watching every hour, walking circumspect. We are the men, we are the men that understand the time. We are the men, we are the men, that understand the season. We are a generation, of wisdom to the rest, watching every hour, we're walking circumspect. Your mind, we descend to the lands of the Spirit. For every season, there's a reason, there's a task, there's an honor. We are we return to the land of the Spirit. For every season, there's a reason, there's a task, there's an honor. Oh Lord, make us like the songs, make us like the songs, make us like the songs of Jesus. The Bible says the sons of Issachar understood the temper of the times. Do you understand the temper of the times that we are in? It's a time when the fire of God is being poured out. It's a time when people are receiving, are being impacted for their generations. It's a time when people are being made voices for their generations.